to know, like, have you ever experienced like something in your life which seemed too tricky to you, too difficult to you? Any situation, any problem you felt like, oh, it's too tricky, it's so difficult, or so laborious for me to tackle it or get a solution of it. And later when you solved it, when you found the solution, when you overcame that, and then you felt like, oh my god, it seemed tricky, but it had a very simple solution and I was able to solve it.
Yes, of course. Definitely, it's really a great question. And first of all, I don't go further far. It is spoken English only.
Okay.
Yes, because I belong to a middle class family,
Hmm.
and it was the time of you can say my childhood. I spent my all childhood at my nanny's house. When I was 6 days old, I was bring up to my nanny's house, and I passed my inter there only. Okay, so I used to go to take a tuition to my mother's home. So
Mm-hmm.
that time there was one boy there, and he was like a palmist, where
Hmm.
we just watch our
Read
hands.
the
Okay,
palm, yeah.
our
Hmm.
hands, yeah, astrologer or palmist, you can see. So when all were just showing their hands, so eagerly I also show my hand that please see what will be my future,
Mm-hmm.
and I just want to do something in the field of teaching. I want to be a teacher. So he just replied, watching my hand, seeing my hand, that there is no line of job in your hand.
Oh
You will
God.
not going to do any job or a service in your life. So that time I determined myself that by hook or by crook, as I love teaching
Mm-hmm.
and I take interest a lot, so I have to be a teacher, and that to be a great level teacher. So since then I started teaching when I was in class 12th. So I
Mm-hmm.
started taking the tuition classes, and when it was my final year of BA, so though I was in BA, but that time I was taking MA English student because of my English grammar.
Mm-hmm.
So it was my achievement, and somehow actually in my family nobody was agree uh, to just uh, to just give wings to my dreams. Means it was supposed that ये तो लड़की है, इसको आगे बढ़ा के क्या करना है? After marriage, she has to go to their home only. So it's like that. So
Mm-hmm.
somehow I just passed my inter, but nobody was ready to give me another education. So I gave my I just provide myself with this education, and I completed my MA and DLED after marriage. Before
Mm-hmm.
marriage, I have done only BA. That all because of my efforts.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
So
really
that was the
inspiring.
dream.
That, yeah,
And it
sometimes what happens, when others say that you are not able to do, without even if
yes.
they are not astrologers or palmist, even simply an
Mm.
ordinary person says to you this, like, okay, you will not be able to do this, or you will not be able to crack an exam, or you will end up like this, we start believing, like people start believing, and that's how
Yes.
their journey stops right there, then and there, because they start believing in that. And sometimes it hits
Mm.
really strongly, that this gets into their subconscious mind, they keep thinking about it, and that is why it takes a too strong position in their subconscious mind, and that is why they are not able to get rid of it over time, and it becomes stronger and stronger, and then they give up, then they don't really actually achieve something, and because of these words. And I read that the same thing in that book, The Four Agreements. I have shared that multiple times in my videos. So, in Four Agreements, it is also shared that when you agree on others' point of view about you, it means you are going to accept that. And it means it is going to happen to you. As soon as you deny,
Mm.
if somebody says, oh, you are not looking good, deny that. And when you deny,
That's why I denied that time immediately that this is
hmm,
not for me.
yeah, if you
Yeah.
deny, your mind doesn't take it inside, like it doesn't go, it doesn't penetrate in your mind, in conscious, subconscious, nowhere. But if you agree, it penetrates. penetrates. It goes into your memory bank, it goes into your subconscious when you like, just like you water a plant every day, just like that you are just giving this thought very, you are making it, you are strengthening it every single day by thinking it again and again. Okay, I'm not able to do this, happened to me, he said right, okay,
Yeah.
he's right, maybe this is not for me, something like that. And that's how we just give up. But if you believe in yourself and you deny that thing, okay, if you are saying this, even if you are an astrologer, I'll prove you wrong. And that really works
Yeah.
because you believe in
Really,
yourself.
if I would not be determined that time, so I would not be this time as I am at this place.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I
And
really
and
salute
what
you.
happened?
This will,
Thank you so
inspire
much.
people like girls out there. Many girls have that kind of maybe situation where they are not given a lot of, opportunities. They don't have enough resources. But I salute people who are ready to just, and are determined to achieve their goals and, you know, be there for
Really.
themselves. Because, yeah, many people
Actually,
face this, many female face this, that they don't get right support and opportunity. Yeah.
hmm. Really, this time also there are the families where girl education is not promoted,
Hmm.
and that is who is victim. Victim is only the girl.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Absolutely. Yeah, that's really
but now
inspiring.
time has changed a lot.
It has changed a lot. Yeah, that's great. Okay. Any your sweet memory with your friends as a teenager, if you can share with me, which you remember or recall time to time, from time to time.
Hmm. Actually, I'm the person who is not having so much friends.
So
Uh,
many friends.
I
Okay.
believe really so many friends. Yeah.
Mm.
Because I believe that friends are the persons who just know you well and who are every time with you in your need.
Mm-hmm.
And as it is said that a friend in need is a friend indeed. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why I don't find such a friend that I can say that
Mm-hmm.
he or he is my friend. But I have got every relationship in my husband. He has
Wow.
fulfilled my every wish, even every single wish. He made me educated, and he was with me with the full support when I just wished to teach in school. And he knows everything that I am the person who can't live without teaching. So in spite of others rejection, he just made me he just made me agree to just go to school. He made others people agree that let her go and
Wow.
and teach them.
That's, strengthens my
So that's the
belief
thing.
that true people or supportive people also do exist. So, can I know a little personal
Yeah,
question?
yeah, sure.
Was it a love marriage or arranged marriage?
Of course, it's love marriage.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Wow. I'm happy to hear that it started in a well manner and it is going in a very fantastic manner. That's really inspiring. Great.
yeah. Actually, if your soulmate is for you every time standing for you in your support, so that time we need nothing. That is more than enough. And we get when we are sick, so he just take care of us like a father. And when we are in any trouble, so he is also with us and cares for us as a mother. And when there is no one to share our feelings, so that time he listens as a best friend. So there are so many relations in one single relations if I am getting. So I'm
Wow.
speechless about that.
Wow. That's so
Yeah.
inspiring. Great. Okay. Yeah. Anything else if you want to ask?
Yeah, I just want to say about as my questions was in between left about spoken English. I was saying now.
Mm-hmm.
So as I was doing everything before just starting this spoken English practice, listening, reading, writing, but I was not getting result in speaking
Mm-hmm.
because I was not practicing speaking. And somewhere I listened in your videos that if we listen, we are giving ourselves listening practice. We are making our listening strong. But and if we are writing, so we are making our writing strong. If we want to speak speaking skill, if we want to enhance our speaking skills, so it is important that we have to speak lots and lots, because speaking comes by speaking. So since then, it has been 1 year I have completed. I have started my channel in the month of March 2024, and
Mhm.
now I have completed 1 year. And since then, I am persistently making videos. Not a single day
Wow.
I have left. So in this way, I am
Hmm.
providing practice to myself, and whatever I am gaining, I'm quite happy and content, because in this way I am persistent. I am giving practice. I am eradicating my hesitation and fumbleness,
This will
and I
take you
know.
so far.
As yeah,
Hmm.
as you said in your recently videos, that it takes at least 2 years if you want to get a fluency, proper fluency in this spoken English. So it takes
Hmm.
means maximum 2 years, and I'm ready to give my whole life to this journey.
Great.
Yeah.
That's like a dedication. And yes, as
Yes.
you two things have mentioned that first is like it's not like just you are doing listening practice a lot and you are saying, oh, I'm not able to go, not able to speak fluently or represent well. At
Mm.
the same time, you have been reading a lot of books and you say, oh, I'm not able to speak. Reading will make you a good reader, listening will make you a good listener, writing will make you a good writer, but speaking only will make you a good speaker, not the other things.
Really.
Other things will give you the input. Listening will also give you input, writing, and then the reading. And recently I created a video where I asked like I got a lot of questions from Instagram. There I posted a story and then people shared. So picking those, like I picked a few doubts from there, and that's what I created the solo video recently, in which I mentioned that if you want to speak fluently, confidently, if you want to master speaking, then do speaking practice. And somebody asked me that I tried and I'm not able to. And I said, it's not like you have tried a dress, you have tried a food, and then okay. No, it is something which you have to follow for 2 years continuously. And then you say, then
Really.
come and say if you
Try
tried,
again.
and then tell me that if you have tried for 2 years and if you haven't got any result. No, you will definitely get. At the same time, as you mentioned, the second thing too. One more thing you mentioned. I forgot. Okay, let me tell you about that too. Now you mentioned that speaking comes by speaking. So for that, if somebody who is new here and if somebody wants to do the speaking practice, I have a Telegram group which is with the same name, Try to Thrive, where people like where Gayatri Sharma conducts free sessions on the weekend. So guys can join that. I'll mention the links also in the description. Guys can join and can participate in group discussions. I guess group discussions also help a lot when it comes to
Really, really.
removing fear, hesitation, and do the speaking practice. Because many people have this, maybe excuse in their mind that, okay, I don't have anybody to speak with. So here it is,
Mm.
the group you can join and you can practice their own, at least on the weekend, you will get. And whenever she has free time, every now and then she tries to conduct these activities, role plays, debates, speaking on different topics. Even she is very like an expert of grammar rules, so she teaches grammars to according to the requirement if she gets somebody who is very
Yeah.
weak at it.
It will be really beneficial for beginners, especially one. Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. And at the same time, I have started my Instagram page too, so guys can follow me there. There I'll
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
There I'll post my reels. Like I am focusing on, you know, upgrading myself in presentation.
Yes, I know. Actually, my sixth sense says that in future you could be a good healer as well, because you do know that how to behave with the expressions, emotions, and thoughts of others persons. Yeah.
That's really a big thing, a huge thing, a huge compliment, I must say, because healing others is not like a bed of roses or a cakewalk to do. It needs a lot of
Yes, as you are
contemplation,
advising people, yeah, as you
observation.
are advising people,
Hmm.
sorry,
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
as you are advising people and they are getting benefit out of that. So it is also a kind of healing, because your thoughts and your knowledge is like that, whatever you are sharing. it is giving something or the other to everyone, and they are able to eradicate from their doubts. They are clearing out their doubts. So, who can do this? A healer can do this
Mm.
very well.
It really
Yes,
means
in
a
a
lot. It
very
really means a lot. I
sophisticated
don't know
manner.
how much capable I am, but it really means a lot. Good morning and welcome to the session. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. Am I visible and audible to you?
Yes, you are visible and audible to me. How's your
Okay.
weekend going?
Yeah, my weekend is going fantastically because every Sunday I just binge watch your videos.
Oh my God.
This is my new habit that I have inculcated. And how about you?
Yeah, I am also doing great and weekend is also going good. It is a like I thought to take a break today, but still I have 3 sessions. It's been a long time that I've been not recording sessions. I was busy with other stuff too. Then I thought today to have at least with 3 people because many people are continuously asking me. Like you also asked a few days back to have a session. Then I
Yeah.
asked you like I'll inform you later, and that's how I have said to many people that very soon we will have session and then I'll inform you like this. So I have been delaying these sessions for so long, so finally today we are
It is
here.
my privilege. Yeah.
It's
It's my
mine too,
privilege
ma'am,
that
like
you
to
have given
connect
me
to
your valuable time.
people who are truly with me and who share their love and support always. So it really means a lot for me too, but just I was a little disturbed and at the same time little occupied. That is why I was not connecting to people. Otherwise,
Yeah,
yeah.
I
And in
can
the
understand.
morning I forgot because I was busy with cleaning my room and stuff all that. So especially like deep cleaning I do on Sundays and I forgot
Yes.
entirely that okay, I had booked the session. So when you messaged me, then I thought, okay, let's have it at 11. Not just cancel, just have it at 11. So I just finished the cleaning room and then took bath and just started the day. Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
First of all, ma'am, first thing first, I just want to ask you one question that what is the meaning of your name?
Okay. Meaning of my name, that's night. Rajni means Raat, night. That's what I know so far.
Yeah, yeah, that is everybody knows that is the shallow meaning of your name, and deep meaning we can see it is different because
Okay.
after every night there becomes light. Okay, we just enters in light. So in the same way, you are just clearing the doubts of the your co-learners, and some way you are showing the path as the result of your knowledge, your experience. So in this way you are somewhere justifying your name,
Yeah,
and
I
it
have.
and
Mhm.
really a good thing about you.
Thank you so much. That really means a lot. And it's my pleasure that you recognize me like this. Though I think I'm not that much capable to help people, but still whatever knowledge I have, a little knowledge I try to spread with others and around, like between others, and then I try to help them too. uh,
Yeah.
I read or maybe heard from somewhere that yeah, sometimes you do things which are like according to your name also you do things in life, that is said.
Yeah.
And I didn't know what it has the deep meaning, my name. I just knew only that night it has the meaning that is night. I don't know so how it is related to my name and how it is going to be. So that's great that you
Yes.
have shared the deep meaning too.
Yes, actually, our name always tells us something about our personality and what am I. But when
Hmm.
it comes to me, I was not in any love with my name
Okay.
because it has happened now that whenever we got any name, so it is given by your parents or by horoscope or Kundli and Sunshine.
Hmm.
But when it comes to me, I didn't get my name in this way. It was the time when my mother got me admitted in class KG. So
Mhm.
that time there were many students who were with my name. So as my mother was illiterate, and and the teacher was asking that what is her name. Please give me some another name because I have to write them. So
Hmm.
as she was just saying to change the name, so my mother said, "मुझे नहीं पता. You can keep as you wish."
Hmm.
So in this way, my name is gifted by a teacher. She just entered my name with Geeta.
Okay, okay. And I
Yeah.
think my name is also not suggested by any priest or any astrologer or no. Maybe it's just given by somebody close, like somebody close in the family itself. Uh, like
Yes.
when I think earlier it was not taken that much seriously like girls' birth. Nowadays people do same things which they do for boys. Like if there is a boy in the family comes the newborn baby as a boy, then also they celebrate at the same time. If they get girl as a baby girl, then also they celebrate in the same manner. They welcome mother and daughter in the same manner. But back when I think I got birth, I wasn't taken that much seriously maybe. And we are like three, so that time it was like a huge thing. Still also it is huge, like if you have three daughters it's a huge thing. But people now love them in a similar way, though we get love, support, freedom, everything in a similar way. But that time I guess situation was entirely different, financially too, and people were not that much like my parents mindset was not like how they think now about everyone. After we grown up a little bit then about education, earlier it was not like that. So maybe that was given by somebody, it's a random name maybe. So I don't know if this is what exactly I
Future what
meant
we
for.
get as an impact we can't say with our
Hmm.
name. Actually, I am totally influenced with this name. There are only two persons in my life with this name. First one is there is one of my sister, and second one is you. And I
Okay.
am greatly impressed with both the personalities because you are the one that shows me the path that how to do in the field of spoken English, because the first video that came across with me, it was yours. Since then I am just watching your videos on a daily basis, and when it comes to Sundays, so I binge watch. Yeah, so
Wow.
in this way I make my days productive.
Hmm. And
And
that is
every
why.
day, what is it? Yeah, please ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead. No, I'm really curious to hear you.
Yeah. And every day whatever video I just go through that of yours, so I come to know twice or thrice special vocabulary that are very common and that we can use in day to daily life as well, and
Hmm.
that are relevant. So whatever structure of words or idioms I find that it is really very useful, and elegantly we can use in our life in many ways.
Yeah, absolutely. Thing which you shared with me, and I took very seriously in our previous session. Maybe I asked you one question, and then I asked about the secret of your beauty, and then you shared about yoga, meditation, breathing exercise, right? So I took that very seriously, and I can say now that I have seen results. Like I started doing it, and I have seen results. Now I don't need to apply something, apart from sunscreen and moisturizer. Like right now, I haven't applied anything apart from sunscreen.
That is not counted in
Hmm.
the beauty product or
Yeah.
cosmetics that are the base of the that we
Hmm.
need. Yeah.
And sometimes when I don't have any session,
And
I don't apply those things too, like moisturizer and sunscreen too. But whenever I see my face in mirror, whenever I look at myself in mirror, I feel so proud that wow, breathing exercises really help a lot immensely. Even a little bit of like tapping and like when you are trying to give proper air, or you can say when your skin is also able to
mm,
breathe properly when you are tapping and doing such things before
really, that
going to
gives
bed.
you natural beauty.
Hmm. So I have seen that
Yes.
change and experienced.
When
Even.
we don't apply
Yeah.
too much, no, so that time our body says thank you to us. Yes.
Hmm.
Please keep me away from all the cosmetics, and I will give you instant and permanent glow.
Absolutely. And just I keep drinking a lot of water, and I have I can say now this is my habit to do, breathing exercise, a little bit of yoga and meditation. So, not yoga exactly, like breathing exercises I've been doing now so far, and they are helping me. So, once you get results, you become habitual of you even love that doing it again and again. Great.
Okay. I do remember you have just described about Sattvic yoga something. Are you
Mhm.
following that?
No, that's what I said, that not exactly yoga because I have still pain in my left foot. Still, I'm struggling with that. That is why I'm not able to do any yoga except
Hmm.
meditation, breathing exercises. Yeah. Like humming
Yes,
sound,
actually,
Brahmari, and all those. Like the asanas,
uh,
which I can do by sitting only. Yeah, not exactly
yes.
yoga. Hmm.
Actually, it's not compulsory that we always go with yoga. If we are just going with some pranayam like Kapalbhati and Anulom Vilom and Brahmani, that also affect our body in precise way. Really,
Brahmari, I think, has a lot of benefits. Lot of.
really.
So I watched a reel or maybe something there they were talking about if you do even one Brahmari, it changes a
Hmm.
lot of things in your brain. And if you do it consistently for
Yeah.
1 month, you will amazed at results. And that's what I am amazed already. And that is why it is in me
Yeah.
now. It is my habit. That is easier for you when you see results. It's really way more easier because the result automatically will, pull you that okay, come and do it
Hmm.
again and again every day. So I think that's how it has become my habit, and I am impressed by the results too.
Really, as one time we can go with Brahmani, and a second time for 2 minutes or 5 minutes we can go with Om chanting. That also give you same effect. Yes,
Hmm.
because
Okay.
when we do Om chanting, so that
Hmm.
time there is no, not a single thought that is negative that time, because we are totally focusing on the chanting sound.
Hmm. Yeah,
That also
absolutely.
works with it.
Absolutely. Okay.
Yeah.
So are
Actually,
you
what is that?
Mhm,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, go ahead.
I don't know what is that. Whenever we talk, we always come to yoga and meditation because somewhere we are connected with same
Yeah.
vibes.
Absolutely. When you follow the same kind of routine, same kind of rituals in your life, then you mostly talk about that. And at the same time, when you get a person also who is following the same thing, you are able to connect. Otherwise, like if somebody is there who is not doing such things, he will feel bored. The person will feel bored that, okay, I don't want to talk about this thing and why she is bringing it this on table. But when two people are into the same kind of routine, they feel like, okay, this is something which we enjoy the most.
Even having inspired from your videos, I have also started reading. Previously, I used to read only short stories, that too for 5 to 10 minutes, but
Mhm.
now I have started reading books. And so it has been a great experience to just dive into books on also.
That's
Yeah.
great. Even anything which you start, whether it is very small, tiny, but if you do it with consistency, you feel something, some changes. And I have heard that some part of your brain evolves only when you start reading. And that's I have experienced. I was
Yes.
not that kind of this kind of person earlier. Once I have read a lot of books, then I think there is a huge mind shift. Maybe there is a shift in mindset. So yeah,
When we inculcate any habit, so that gives result, and that gives something or other in, and to add your personality, you know.
true, true. I
And we
agree.
feel that yes, we have got something. If we read something, so automatically we are learning grammar rules, automatically
Mhm.
we are learning vocabulary, and we are enhancing so many things altogether.
True.
Yes.
Okay, with that, we have come to the end of the session, and I enjoy again talking to you. As usual, whenever I
Can
connect to you, I feel, yeah, yeah,
I can I also have your 2 minutes?
yeah, yeah, sure.
One question has clicked in my mind. That is my problem. I know that there can be a solution. Actually, whenever I talk, I had any conversation. So I have noticed in 5 or 6 conversations, my conversation goes very smoothly, and in the other conversation, sometimes my space of speaking uh, is always increased. So I
Mhm.
just want to speak softly in polite way, but
Mhm.
that speech I can't maintain that pace of speaking.
Mhm. But I found your
My
pace
tone is
very
good.
great throughout the whole session.
Okay,
Sometimes,
fewer means
sometimes,
sometimes.
you know, why it happens because of the other person too. For example, I am talking to you with this pace and this tone. You will be able to, no matter how much you are able to do, but you will be able to match. This is in me. This happens with
Yes.
me. If you remember, I had a session with the Richa. She has an American accent, I guess. She was speaking too
Mhm.
fast, too fast. It was fast for me too. I tried to speak a little faster than usually I speak, and I did that. I spoke a little faster, not actually how she was speaking. I don't want to speak that much faster because I believe these people are also going to watch. So if I am struggling to listen to her when she is speaking fast, so people will also struggle, and that is why I maintained that, but I a little bit faster I spoke in that. So sometimes it happens because of the other person too. So if the other person is speaking too slow, maybe you will go slow. If person is too fast, you will little increase your pace. This happens, but gradually keep doing it. Gradually you will be good at this to switch it. But one, you should have your own way too, and that is the most beautiful thing to have, like your own way, your own pace, your own tone, which is so beautiful.
Yes.
And I have
Yeah.
observed so far that's great already. You don't need to
Thank
bother
you.
about it. Yeah.
Yeah, really, actually, it's been an authentic conversation with you forever.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you so much. I also enjoyed talking to you.